friends, welcome back again at our YouTube channel which name is Learning Tube. So today we are going to learn about pattern programming in Python. So we are going to start with very basic program. So you can see on screen which type of pattern we want to print. There is a 5 star in one row and there is a 5 column and 5 uh, row. Okay, so what we want to print, like we can say, yeah, 4 5 times, right? So say you can see here, yeah, but I don't want to print this multiple time. I want to print only for one time and with one star. So yeah, we can see here, yeah, but there is only one star, but we want to 5 star. What we can do here, that for sorry, in range, we want 5 stars, so we are going to put here 5 in the range and print, and let's see what happen. Yeah, so there is a 5 star, but we want to should be there is it should be only one row, one line. Okay, but it they will print this star every time in new line. So we want to we have to give command to print function that don't go to a new line. So for that we can put here, yeah. So let's see what happen. Yeah, okay, but we want to print this for 5 times. Okay, so I'm going to put again 5 colon. So yeah, let's see what happens. Say this all star in one line, but we want to execute j function in every time by calling I with on new line. So for that we going to print for jump to new line. Okay, so let's do, yeah, this pattern we want. This is very simple, not difficult. Okay, now our next pattern will be like this. Okay, you can see on your screen, on first row there will be 1 star, in second for second 2 star, third will be third star, and fourth will be 4 star, and 5 will be 5 star. Okay, so for that we can put here I, yeah. So let's going to run this one here. I think there is a one problem. When I is equal to 0, it's print nothing in first row. When I is equal to 1, then it will print 1 star in second row, but we want to 2 star here, third 3 star here, and 4, and last line we want to, there will be 5 stars. So what we can do, okay, so now run this program. Here is the pattern. It's very easy. Now if you want to print in the reverse order, this in first row there will be 5 star, and second row there will be 4 star, and third row there will be 3 star, so later on so on. So what we can do first, like 5 minus I. Okay, so when 5 minus I means for very first time I going, let's first run this program. Okay, so it's better to explain. Yeah, when I is equal to 0, then 5 minus 0 will be 5. So it's very, in first row j will print 5 star. In the second time I become 1, so 5 minus 1 is equal to 4, so j will print 4 star in second row. And third time when I is become 2, 5 minus 2 is equal to 3, so j will print 3 star in third line. And when I is become 3, so 5 minus 3 is equal to 2, so they will be print 2 star in fourth line. And when I become 4, then 5 minus 4 is equal to 1, then it's print fifth line 1 star. So it's very easy pattern. So yeah, we will may see other patterns in our next video. So today's which I show you very basic pattern in Python. So keep practicing about this, and please, if you like our video, then please like, share and subscribe our channel, which name is Learning Tube. And thank you for watching.